In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. Now, if you want to recover your emails for whatever reasons that are less than 30 days or more than 30 days, then I'm going to show you how. So the method I'm about to show you works on any device. So whether you're on Mac or PC or using Android or iOS, it will work just fine. So what you need to do is to follow each and every step shown in this video. And if you find value in this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So without further ado, let's begin. So guys, the first method is when you want to recover deleted emails that are less than 30 days. Now for you to recover them, open your Gmail application and make sure you've selected that account that you want to recover the emails from. Now after opening your Gmail application, tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Scroll down to trash and select trash. So guys, you can see all your emails that are less than 30 days. Now for you to recover them, just tap and hold and select any email that you want to recover. After doing that, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select move to, the very first option. Then select primary. So move to primary. Now you can go back and you'll have all your deleted emails recovered. So that is the very first method. Now here the second method is when you want to recover emails that were deleted more than 30 days. Now for you to recover those emails, you need to open a browser that you normally use. So in my case, I'll open my Chrome browser. Now here in the search bar, just type in Gmail messages are missing. Then you enter. So you need to select which platform you're using. So if you're using Android, you select the very first link. So if you're using a computer, you select the second link. So in our case, we're using Android phone, so you select the very first link. Scroll down to the bottom. Now here under the steps above didn't help, you select the second link that says most of my emails are missing. So tap on that down arrow. Then you click on this link that says we can help find your missing emails and secure your account. So tap on that link. Now you get recovery tool. So this tool helps you recover your messages or your emails. So tap on the profile icon near the top right corner to select the account that you want to recover emails from. That is if you have multiple emails account. So here they tell you confirm account information. You are currently logged in and trying to recover lost emails for this particular account. So tap on the continue button here at the bottom. Now you get recovery results. Unfortunately, your missing emails were permanently deleted and we can't get them back. So I'm not able to recover back my emails. But in your case, you can be able to recover back your emails. So guys, with those two methods, you can easily recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. So that is for me today. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.